Hi everyone, here's some more information on Nearpod. So we do have a premium subscription with the school. All you have to do is email me your interest and I will sign you up for the premium features. I'm going to show you when you log in what type of features that I really like and just a little bit more information. So everything's pretty much set up on your homepage. Any lessons you're interested in, pinned or saved or have done in the past comes right up here in your library. You can automatically launch a live participation, student paced, or front of class. If you want to see who participated and who didn't and how much they participated, you can go to your report section, open up one of your sessions, and it's going to give you your checkpoints. So in videos, like Edpuzzle, you can add checkpoint questions, and you can also just do this in presentations. So multiple choice, it gives you the percent correct, incorrect, and those who didn't answer. And then with open-ended questions, it will tell you who didn't give an answer, who actually answered, and give you the participation rate. You can also see the progress. So if your students stopped halfway in the presentation with participation, that will show up too. So the reports are really easy to use, and I think it's a great way to track participation while you're in the presentation. You can launch sub plans. So if you know you need a sub, you're on quarantine and you need someone, the person in person needs the plan, you can go ahead and add a sub plan and email it. We do have a school library. We've only had this for half a year, so Cami is the only one who's actually shared anything. Way to go, Cami. But you can share and collaborate with anyone in the school who has the premium subscription. And you have access to the Nearpod library. So this has thousands of videos, activities, and pre-made lessons that you can use, edit, and adjust for your lesson planning. So once you pick a certain video or a certain lesson, I'll pick a YouTube video, you can teach right then and there. You can launch the presentation. You can preview it to see if that's something that you want. It'll show up with what questions are embedded and what type of questions are embedded. You can add to your library and then you can edit the presentation yourself to fit or to adjust any of the questions. You can also share it to the school library if it's something you think anyone else would be interested in. When you're creating your own lesson, you come right here to create and go to lesson. You can combine content, video activities, and Nearpod works with Google Slides, any JPEGs, any PDFs, any PowerPoints. Also works with any pre-made presentations that you want to upload. Basically, if you can upload it, you can use it. It also integrates with videos. So you can do lesson building in Nearpod, or you can go to Google Slides and do the add-on. So this is similar to Pear Deck in the sense that you just open up the add-on. But unlike Pear Deck, there's a lot more functionality and a lot more question and engagement options. We have audio, we have video. The really important thing with video is that it is compatible with Schoology. So if you are presenting in a Big Blue Button conference, the audio will go through. Unlike in Pear Deck, where if you play a video, your students can't hear, any audio and video in Nearpod will play through Schoology. There's a Collaborate board that is very similar to Padlet. The field trip is like 360 videos and images, really good for history teachers. We got vocabulary, fill in the blanks. You can integrate Flipgrid. There's a really cool graphing calculator function that lets you present and adjust graphs in your presentation. Memory tests, open-ended questions. If you have a PDF that they need to see, you can add that. Quizzes, polls, slideshows. Time to climb is like an end of the presentation check. Videos and other web content. So unlike Pear Deck, there's a lot more functionality. There's the add-ons are simple to use, and the platform lets you use a bunch of features without your students having to click on additional links. So you can use YouTube videos, you can use some Collaborate boards like Padlet, Edpuzzle, you can embed questions within a video and things like that. So I think it's super user-friendly. An added bonus is that when you're in a Nearpod presentation, you can add questions and boards as you go. So you can edit your presentation depending on how well your students are getting your lesson. So you can adjust on the fly, where in Pear Deck, it's a little harder to do. So that is Nearpod. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I can get you guys set up. Just email me.